Hi, future tech professionals. Welcome back to Little More Learning. Are you struggling to get a tech internship because you have no prior experience? Don't worry, you are not alone. Every great software engineer, data scientist, or cybersecurity expert started somewhere. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to land a tech internship with zero experience. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap to secure your first internship and kickstart your career. Let's get started. So, step 1 is to build a strong foundation. If you don't have experience, you need skills. Companies want interns who are eager to learn and have a solid grasp of the basics. So, you need to focus on these fundamentals. Firstly, programming languages, data structures and algorithms, version control, and web development. How you can learn them now? Take free courses on Coursera, Udemy, or FreeCodeCamp, or any YouTube channel that you love to take courses on. Use coding platforms like LeetCode, CodeChef, HackerRank, HackerEarth for practicing the problems. Follow YouTube tutorials and build small projects along the way with them. And don't try to learn everything at once. Pick a field, whether web development, data science, AI, or cybersecurity, and start with the small learnings. Step number 2 is to work on personal projects. Employers love seeing real projects on your resume. If you don't have work experience, your projects will show them what you are capable of. Now, project ideas for web development can be building a personal portfolio website, a simple weather app, or a to-do list. For AI and ML, you can create a spam email classifier or a movie recommendation system. For cybersecurity, set up a home lab to test ethical hacking tools. Lastly, for game development, develop a simple game in Python or Unity. These are just examples of what you can do. You can choose any topic that excites you and build a project on it. Host your projects on GitHub or create a blog post explaining how you build them. It shows initiative and technical ability. Step number 3 is to optimize your resume and LinkedIn profiles. A well-crafted resume and LinkedIn profile can make all the difference when you are applying for internships. So your resume must-haves include 1 page, GitHub link, action words, and no fluff. For your LinkedIn profile, you should always add a profile picture that is professional and a strong bio along with that. Write about your projects and share posts related to technology. Connect with recruiters and tech professionals in your industries. Ask your professors or peers for recommendations on LinkedIn. It makes you look more credible to the recruiters. Step number 4 is to apply smartly and use referrals. Now that your resume and LinkedIn are polished, it's time to start applying. Where to apply now? Firstly is LinkedIn Jobs. Then you can go with Internshala for Indian-specific internships. Next, when you want to apply to startups, you can go with Wellfound or AngelList. HackerRank and GitHub Student Developer Packs are also an option to go for. Lastly, you should go to companies' career pages for finding the best suitable internship for you. Use referrals to increase your chances. Reach out to employees on LinkedIn and ask for guidance, not just a referral right away. Join online communities like GitHub, Reddit, and Discord groups for network with other people and recruiters. If you have seniors working in tech field, ask them about open opportunities. Don't just send applications blindly. Tailor your resume and cover letter to match the job description. A personalized application always stands out. Last step is to prepare for technical and HR interview rounds. Once you start getting interview calls, preparation is the only key to pass through them. For technical interview prep, you should practice DSA on LeetCode or HackerRank or any other platform that you love to. Then you should know about the basic of backend roles. Review technologies relevant to the job such as Python, React, Java, or whatever is in the job description. You should practice mock interviews using InterviewBrit or RAMP. For the HR interview preparation, you should be ready for questions like, tell me about yourself and why this company. Have a story about your projects and what you have learned from them. Be confident, clear, and concise. Practice in front of a mirror or with a friend. If you get rejected, don't lose hope. Learn from your mistakes and keep applying. Landing a tech internship with zero experience is totally possible, but you just need the right strategy to do that. So, a quick recap of what you should do is to build a strong foundation in coding and problem solving, work on personal projects and showcase them on GitHub, optimize your resume and LinkedIn to stand out, apply smartly and use referrals to increase your chances, and prepare well for the technical and HR interviews. So, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment down if you have any further questions, and see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.